Hey and welcome to a new video tutorial. Just in case you have the old LG L BELLO, or how do you want to call it, and you want to unlock it because it's locked with a passcode, with a pin or whatever, you want to delete it, format it and make it like brand new, follow this procedure. At first you need to turn off the phone. Hold the power button until you see the screen. Then you power off, okay. So once the phone is powered off, you will need to press together power button and volume down button. You press it both together and hold it until you see the LG logo. And when you will see the LG logo, you will just release the power button and then push it back again. And all the time you need to hold the volume down button. So let's go. Volume down button and power button at the same time. Okay, the phone already vibrates. We hold both buttons. Okay, we release the power button and click the power button again. And now we are in the factory data reset mode. Then you just choose. You choose down, okay. Yes. You confirm with the power button. Again, you want to delete all data. Yes. Click. And now you need to wait. Okay, that's it. Now you can confirm everything and you can use the phone.
Thanks for watching. Write a comment if it did work for you or if you have any questions. Me or the community will try to help. If you want to donate and support my channel, many thanks. The link is in the video description and in my bio. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your CrocFIX.